Meal prepping to lose weight but failing every week? Most people make one huge mistake that makes healthy eating impossible, and it's stopping your fat loss. The mistake isn't planning, it's prepping meals you hate. When food tastes bad or is repetitive, you'll skip meals, binge, or order takeout, and all your healthy intentions go out the window. The biggest mistake, making meals boring, bland, or restrictive. If your meals don't excite you, you'll quit by day 3 and your weight loss goals crash. Here's how to fix it. Rotate proteins: chicken, tofu, lentils, eggs. Mix carbs: sweet potatoes, brown rice, quinoa. Add veggies of different colors and textures. Flavor with spices, herbs, lemon, or low-calorie sauces. Your meals stay delicious, filling, and fat-burning. Tip number 1. Portion your meals based on macros. Don't eyeball. Protein, carbs, fats in the right amounts make meal prep effortless and effective. Tip number 2. Prep for variety and storage. Freeze half, use overnight oats, mason jars, prevents boredom, and keeps you on track all week. Tip number 3. Flavor hacks matter. Low-calorie sauces, spice blends, and citrus juices turn repetitive meals into something you actually enjoy. No cheat meals required. Meal prep isn't about restriction. It's about smart, tasty, and consistent eating. Avoid that one mistake, and you'll never struggle with healthy eating again. Subscribe to Flip It Yourself for more fat-burning hacks and meal prep tips, and hit like if you want a full week of easy fat loss meal prep ideas.